Hi. After years of using jacks and jack stands, I finally decided I had enough, and I decided to splurge and buy something new. It's the QuickJack BL-5000SLX lift, and hopefully it will make my life on working cars a little bit easier. I ordered the QuickJack from ECS Tuning, and it came with 4 boxes, 3 of which are labeled Box 1, Box 2, and Box 3 are from QuickJack themselves, and the 4th box is from ECS Tuning. So I'm going to open them up in order, and we'll see what's inside each one. Box 1, which is this one, looks like it has the left side rail. So let's pop it open, even though it's already half open from the delivery, and see what happens. There's quite a lot of tape on this because apparently UPS had some issues with it. So I actually had to go pick it up at the hub. So in this box, it does appear to be one of the side rails. This is the part that actually jacks up the car, or that sits under the side of the car while it's lifting up, so you don't have to roll a jack or a jack stand in and out anymore. You can lift it all at once instead of having to position multiple jack stands. Get that one out of the way, and we'll do the second box, which is the right side rail. This box is also pretty banged up, but this one actually made it to my house. I didn't have to go pick this one up at the UPS hub. It does appear that this one has a little bit better packaging inside too, by virtue of it being the box from QuickJack. You have some extra styrofoam compared to the last one, and a couple baling ties, which aren't really doing much because they cut right through the box. I got rid of that one, and now we'll open box 3. Box 3 should contain the power supply and any other accessories that we will need. And box 3 has extra boxes. So we have hydraulic hose, more hydraulic hose, some safety catches, some more hydraulic hose attachments, broken package of connectors and O-rings, the rest of which are in the box still. All over the box. And then we also have spacer blocks of various heights. Looks like 2 inches and 3 inches for various heights of vehicle. The box that was inside box number 3 should be the power supply, which we'll open up. And once we have that open, we'll assemble everything and then see how it looks and how it works. So this is the hydraulic pump and power supply for the unit. It's pretty beefy, so hopefully it will lift all the cars in the fleet without a problem. So here we are a little while later after assembling the QuickJack 5000. We followed the instructions on the YouTube site for QuickJack, and while they weren't perfectly right, there were some discrepancies, like the wrong size hex key for the bleeding of the air cylinders. It all went fairly smoothly. It took us about 90 minutes to put together, even while stopping to watch the video. So here's a quick demonstration of how it works. Now we're going to jack up my Mini Cooper and see how this thing works. Well, as you can see behind me, there's plenty of room to slide underneath, so I'm going to give it a shot. I'll see you guys next time.